Hello everyone, I'm meteorologist Johanna Wagstaff. The check on your weather for Thursday. Very active weather situation out there right now. We are into a 24-hour atmospheric river, which means heavy rain for some parts of the south coast, namely the sea to sky corridor. So let me start you off with a big picture. You can see on the satellite this stream of moisture moving into the south coast. This is the cold front that will be moving across the south coast. It's sort of stalled out though, right over Vancouver Island, through the Howe Sound area and up to Whistler. So this is where we're seeing the majority of rain that's been falling since early hours. Meanwhile, for Vancouver, we're really only seeing the showers right now as we head into the 3 p.m. hour. Just isolated showers moving across Metro Vancouver. Getting into some heavier rain, though, in the next couple of hours. We're just starting to see things ramp up, so heads up, it's a much soggier evening than the start of the day. Okay, now to the flooding risk. So there is a rainfall warning in place for Howe Sound and Squamish. Whistler is under a special weather statement. By tomorrow morning, we could be talking 50 millimeters for these areas. This is where we're seeing training or rain falling over the same places again and again. Rainfall rates could be as high as 5 to 8 millimeters. That kind of downpour is tough for our situation right now, which is still a hard ground after a dry summer, and that means the ground can't absorb that rainfall as fast as it could if it was a saturated ground, and that means runoff and flooding potential. So watching that situation very closely. Taking you through the model for timing, stopping you around 8 p.m. That's when I think the rain will start to pick up for Metro Vancouver. Sort of 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. heavier rain across Metro Vancouver, and then the system will quickly track off. So tomorrow morning, keeping the showers in place, clearing out quite dramatically through Friday and Saturday. So this is a short-lived event. But again, rainfall totals very concentrated for some parts of the south coast. And you can really see that corridor, again, between the Howe Sound up towards the Whistler area. That's where we could be looking at sort of 60 to 80 millimeters tops. And that's where the flooding risk is. Again, Squamish through to Whistler, that sea to sky corridor. And mainly because the ground is so hard. Very similar situation to last weekend, except for the risk is not up towards Pemberton. It's farther down towards Squamish. And it's just that the ground can't absorb those kinds of rainfall rates, so it ends up running off and into the rivers, taking possibly debris with it. So an active situation. We'll keep you posted, and more details tonight. The good news is it's short-lived. Things will start to clear out tomorrow.